After a long day, a hard work and dedication, you feel me? We have officially lowered the Hellcat, man.
Video is real. It is all edited, CGI, and fake. Do not attempt anything seen in this video.
Sliding these bitches, V8 the motor. Take the tune out, track out, zoom out. These niggas hate that I'm bad niggas threw out.
See, this. Get your dogs, bro. Yeah, bro, it look way better with nothing right here for sure. Your fishing line weak as hell, bro.
You ain't using it right. Sometimes you be having to like double layer it. You gonna be straight. Alright, bro. Yeah. I got that that glue cleaner. Just spray it up on there. Let it sit. That's like some orange spray.
Some air freshener?
Yeah, it be working for the glue residue.
Somebody told me spray air freshener on. Trust you, bro.
Yeah, just spray it on there.
Yeah.
Color is the glue. No, the glue ain't even thick. You don't even need to scrape it. You down there just need a towel. Sometimes for like thicker glue, like it'll down there leave like a layer of glue up on there. Like if you remove the Hellcat on the side, then it really would. But yeah, just come back just like this.
It came out smooth though, man. As y'all see, we got the Dodge in our hands. Don't mind my hand. I got a little calluses right there, y'all. It's hard work and dedication, you feel me, to the grind. That boy JC got his bird chest out today. Don't flex on the bro. Show him the work you putting in, bro. You feel me?
Boy, if you don't. Day 2.
All right, so as y'all see, man, we did pull up to the tent shop. I'm about to get the Hellcat tinted. So we're gonna double layer the back, 5%, 5%, 5 on the windows. We're gonna go 15 on the windshield. Yeah, man, we're gonna get the Hellcat right. As y'all seen yesterday, I took that badge off, did the exhaust yesterday, so now we tint the windows. We're getting it to 100%, man. I did get lowering springs, so we're gonna look at putting on the lowering springs today. But for right now, we finna tint the Hellcat. So they about to bag the cat out right now. Yeah, sir, ski. Good cat, man. Bro. Very tough. Y'all know every time we get a new car, it's like it's necessary mods we gotta do, man. Exhaust, tint, and we gonna lower it, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. They just did this truck right here. As y'all see, he tinted out. Know what I'm saying? He didn't do the windshield though. But we going crazy on the cat though, man. Tint that junk so dark. That's the only way. I'm gonna be real, bro. The cat, the Slim Challenge growing on me, man. I really wasn't a fan of Slim Challengers, bro, until I started wanting the manual, and it's like you kind of gotta get it in a Challenger. Yes, sir. Good cat, man. It just looks so mean, bro. So mean. All right, y'all, so as you see, the tint is done on the Hellcat, man. And it does look good. Shout out to them for getting me right. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like in the inside. So we got the 15% windshield, 5 windows, and the back is double layer. As you see, the back is crazy, bro. Like, if you sit in my back seat, bro, you can't see out for sure. But it is a coupe, so should nobody be back there anyway. But definitely W tint, man. Nothing but reflections. All right, y'all. So this is outside with the sun beaming. And yeah, man, you can't see nothing. This is actually tinted darker than what my Charger was. But you know, it's worth it, bro. You gotta have that tint out here. Definitely a great look on the Hellcat, y'all. But shout out to 702 Window Tint for getting me right, man. And yeah. All right, YouTube. So we got the cat tinted. I really want y'all to see the difference between the front and the back, though, bro. The back's so dark. Y'all know how it is driving manual, bro. I gotta, feel me? So look, man, I can honestly say my car is so much cooler, bro, in this heat. And now that I got my windows tinted, like I had to cut my air down. At first, I was riding with my air on full blast, bro. They got me right. Put down shit for y'all. Look, bro, look at this. They got tires in the road, bro. Come on, fam. But one more time, shout out 702 Window Tint, man. They tinted my windows and offered me a sponsorship deal, which I don't have that many sponsors. So shout out to them.
Day 3.
Good wide body. We got the other fast car, you feel me? So, man, we got the windows tinted yesterday. I got some lowering springs. Shout out to my boy Aiden. And we finna install them joints.
We got all the mopars and all the watermelon. Hey, mopars and watermelon.
Lowering springs. Lowering springs right here for the Challenger. You know what I'm saying? We finna lower this joint. Hey man, boy, put the sticky Mickeys on the cat.
It's better fit than them on shit. My shit is way more. That actually look good. Like,
Man, you crazy.
that's how it's supposed to look, bro. Drag packs are supposed to look aggressive.
Yeah. Yeah. Big cat boy, you feel me? Hey man, look at the cat on the drag pack.
That's how it would look.
And a lot of this fire. What size these wheels are?
17.
17 by like what? What's the width?
10 or 11. So
What size tire is it? 315?
315 fit.
Yep.
Alright, so I don't really know what we doing, but I know we doing it, you feel me? We got the whole
Hey, let's just ask him, what we doing?
we finna pull the straight out now though.
Lower their car, they said. It'd be fun, they said.
Dumbest fucking thing you never do.
Sheep.
We getting somewhere. Yeah.
What's the best way to hold this though? Let go. Just let it go?
Yep.
What's the juice right here?
Just grease.
They don't be zip tying that shit up?
Nah. Control arm on you, boy.
There's nothing wrong with that controller.
Alright, y'all heard him. He said we can leave it like that, so.
And this is the scary part.
Hey, bro, go do that shit outside.
I'm not doing nothing yet.
Hey, on a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous you are to take that shit off?
Like a normal human, like a 10.
You got the little meow meow.
It's that big meow, man.
Hey, he said that shit was gay because I texted him. I texted him a picture of the cat logo and I said meow. He said that's gay. Is that gay?
Yeah, that's the absolute game.
Meow?
Yeah.
You could have been like.
I didn't say like.
You could have been like. Raw.
Nah, I feel like purr. Like if I said like purr or something, that would be gay.
You're still gay, bro, for that one.
Yeah, wow, bro. He can press in the spring to unscrew it, but it's always a risk because you think it can happen, you know.
Why he aiming that shit towards you?
That's what I'm saying. Hey, I'm good. Let's go straight that way.
Hey, don't aim it towards the scat, man. Shit.
Is it good now?
Bro, it's gonna launch that way through the door.
confused.
What are you talking about?
I don't know, bro.
We might have to make a trip to Harbor Freight.
Bro, just.
Why you running away, bro?
But I'm saying though, like. Bro, let's just get a smaller one.
Hey, you see that? That's gonna be him right there.
So look, as y'all see, this nigga,
That's it. Bottom's in its spot right here. No, that's it. Tighten up all the way.
You gotta hold the bottom one so that she don't spin.
this man over here trolling, bro.
It's not that. I just need to line up the holes. Hold on. They're not even lined up yet.
Yeah, I know. The two are, but. Or let me do it and then you got it from top. All right, YouTube. So we got this spring on. Now we're going to the other passenger front side. Well, we got the strut already out. So now he's just compressing the spring. And then we're gonna put the other Lawrence spring on, put the strut back in, and start on the back.
What part did you do?
I did a little something, you feel me? That's a little here and there.
What did he do?
A little here and there.
God damn!
Hey, bro.
Fuck!
That's what I said. That's what I said. Am I certified wine? There you go.
Hey, this is a pretty good thumbnail right here.
Thumbnail. Oh yeah, come on. You see the Hellcat song?
Yeah. Oh no, your head didn't. Wait, hold up. Right there. Yeah, right there. You recording?
I lost it now, bro. Let's just stop the video right now. Hey, help me get this. This nigga. I had it at first. He stopped recording.
Oh shit!
This motherfucker's hands is dirty as shit.
There we go. Now that mud in there. Yeah, search. I knew you had it in you, bro.
Motivational words.
Feel me? I knew he had it in him the whole time. Nigga wasn't pushing it, so.
Did that get you through it?
Look, he got that.
Bro's got the great Kool-Aid drink in there.
You know what I'm saying? Supercharged drinking on Kool-Aid. Alright, y'all. This junk complete, man. Now we put the other wheel on. Snap. Drop a little bit.
Damn.
Once that
Hey, it's
bitch,
definitely lower, bro.
yeah, once that bitch settles, you'll be like right tired of fucking fender.
Hey now, Jack, you look. You got the lip on the ground. Almost, man.
Back on top so it'll completely lower something more.
It's gonna look good lower, bro. Now we got a real cat. This ain't a little cat no more. It's a big cat, nigga.
This little meow meow.
Take out this screw, and then it's gonna drop. You feel me? And we can take this one out too to make it easier. But I don't know, man.
I don't know, guys.
I was just sitting here thinking though, bro. This is like real deal, dream come true, bro. Like this is my Hellcat doing mods to it. You feel me? It's a real dream, bro. Dream come true. You know what I'm saying? Like that big cat, bro.
Yeah.
All right. Keep going.
Mm-hmm.
Your hands good? All right.
Keep going.
Yeah, I can go back and forth with this if I need to move it too. Mm-hmm. You gotta let me know.
Forward a little bit.
Like look.
Go up. Go up.
We got 3 springs on, man. This one took the longest. Just put the exhaust back in. Yeah, man. Put the wheel back on now. 3 down. 1 to go, man.
This is what happens when you want to go SRT.
I paid somebody to do this on my scat. It's all good though. Got my
I'll pay for
boy.
someone else to do this for you next time. Bro, that might look menacing as fuck coming this way. You're seeing this house right now with all these parts.
I'll bully that 5-0
It's a 5 garage.
in the scat.
And this scat is crazy.
Man, I'll bully that 5 on that scat. You see that green one over there? Fuck your ass laughing about.
Time, man. Oh, 22.
Is it a 22 or 20?
22. I don't know where it said.
It's probably right here. Look at that. You guys put it on that socket wrench.
Put a battery in it.
Nah, bro, it's good. You gotta pull the handle off while you do it. You gonna break my fucking drill.
It's already broken. Hey, nigga, you talking about it's like I'm gonna break it.
No. You gotta grab it from the bottom and go like this.
You gotta be gentle with that shit, bro.
This shit cooked.
Hey, man, that's building your car right now. Put some respect on it.
He goes. He hands me a little wobbly fucking. Screw some shit into my car. It's like, okay, cool.
Alright, yeah. NASCAR.
Watch him scratch his wheels.
Woo!
NASCAR were done already before.
Nah, NASCAR, they use those wheels where it's just got one bolt in the middle.
They would have been done by now.
Hey, tell me that went fast. We officially got all the springs on the car. Of course, the springs are new, so they gotta take time to settle. But we finna lower this joint down and let y'all see how it look. You know what I'm saying? This side was way easier than the other side, though. We got this one done super quick.
Half the time, shit.
Like literally less than half the time, bro.
Put that bitch on hard.
You ready?
Yep.
All the springs are officially put on the car, bro. After a long day of hard work and dedication, you feel me? We have officially lowered the Hellcat, man. Look crazy. We done, man. I can definitely tell the difference, bro. For sure. I think it's perfect. I feel like the back gotta settle some more.
Oh, you got hella room. You good, go.
As y'all see, I just went crazy on that road right here. Hey, it looks so much better lowered, bro. Cat tough, y'all. It looks so good lowered, bro. It's tough, bro. Ain't gonna lie, them springs set it off, man, huh? You gotta push the clutch in, rev, and then drop a gear. You gotta like rev match with it, but hey, it look good, bro. Oh hell no! Hold on, hey, whoa! It was good. I heard it. I wasn't going fast enough. I know. Hey, bro, that joint hit for sure, y'all.
Sliding these beats, V8 the motor.